is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And just left Port Jervis. Had a nice ride to Hawk's Nest and high density residential area. I can truly say that's the first time I've ever seen that sign. This is 653 South, Sussex County. So we're back in New Jersey. And nobody was here to welcome me back to the state with the state's official salute. That's right, the middle finger. If you like my videos, be sure to give it the thumbs up or leave a comment. I make my videos on my 2024 Pan America named Big Sheila, aka the Thunder Rocket 5000. Oh, what was that, Big Sheila? You want to go faster? Alrighty then. I love this friggin' bike. I love this engine. I do not love, however, having the crap scared out of me before at the gas stations. I had my Easy Pass holder on, and I guess it was blocking the key fob. Or I've gotten a warning sign now that it's time to change the key fob battery, which is weird, given, you know, it's maybe a year old, but probably a CR2032, which is the same battery you'd find in your computer's motherboard. I'm gonna have to see what that entails, or if I have to take it to Garden State and have them set it back up. There's a 5-digit code. I have to look in my friggin' owner's manual because I don't know it for this, that you can bypass, you know, but like I said in an earlier video, it scared the living hell out of me. The fuel pump wasn't coming on. I'm like, what's going on here? You know, I'm up in Pine Island, New York. I'm nowhere near home. Tamer Lane, Sanctuary and Preserve. Oh, there's a pig. There's another one of those roads. You can ride this in, and then when you come out at the light, just past the Ford dealer, Port Jervis, take a left. That'll take you through Port Jervis into Deer Park and up into Hawk's Nest. The dude was ripping through there on a V-Rod. I mean, ripping, man. I ride like I'm an old man, because I am. And because honestly, on that road, you really don't want to get taught a lesson. You don't. The only place for you to go in the event of a oops is over the wall, down a huge drop, or into the side of a mountain. No thanks. That's where Rivian filmed one of their commercials there, and I forgot who else. Big Z beef. Yeah, all up here and areas in West Milford, you can get you know, beef and stuff, and it's raised there, and it's not full of crap. I'm a little, I don't really eat a lot of red meat or processed stuff. One, you know, after having colon cancer, you start to examine the things you put in your body. And two, I have gout, It's basically triggers arthritis rather, if your uric acid's too high. And turkey, which I used to love turkey. That's one that kind of kills me. Turkey, red meat, I have a hard time with. Processed meats, alcohol, anything that's fun, eh. But man, if I am gonna do some hot dogs, I'm going to Hiram's in Fort Lee. Second runner-up being Rutt's Hut. I know a lot of people that are closer to Rutt's Hut swear by it. I'm closer to Hiram's, and I actually grew up on Callahan's, which isn't around anymore. I preferred them over Hiram's. Hiram's, though, just as good. It was just a closer thing, and yeah, shame they closed up. The owner's grandson owns that place, 1950s Originals, I believe. They make really good stuff in Westwood, and there's another location now. Yeah, very happy with this bike. Love the way it handles. My previous bike, the Lowrider ST, that also handled well. Just my thoughts though, if it's going to tour, it should be rubber mounted and should have forwards, and I did do the forwards. The forwards off the Heritage, the Softail model, everything bolts up. But, you know, this has mids, and I don't have any issues with them. Some people prefer mids. Hey, it's cool too, man. I didn't, on that bike, I didn't like where they put my legs. It's having some knee pain. Topic of today's video, and I'm not going to do a topic in every video, but some shtick I'm on right now. What kind of bike you getting next? I mean, I swore I wasn't going to take the leap off of a bagger anytime soon, because, which thank God I'm getting bags on this. You know, they just kind of did everything well except high RPM travel. But you know, on a road glide or street glide, that's not an issue. But yeah, I swore I was never getting off that kind of platform, and you know, I saw this and I was like, I need something. I need change, right? What good is life if you just follow a routine? I saw this, and a bunch of channels I watch. Fly Ride 15, Anonymous Biker, and Hudson Moto all have different bikes. And the ADV bikes, man, really started catching my eye. One, because you could do anything with them, and two, they're I don't know, man, I think this bike is sexy. Are there some things I change? Oh, sure. That's what everybody. But, yeah, man, they opened my... I like Hudson Moto, man. Friggin'... Dude's got a Grom. He rode it up to Bear Mountain. I was like, how friggin' cool is that? That must have been so much fun. I wouldn't mind having a Grom. Maybe when I get another 54 pounds off. They look like so much fun, man. I mean, God, you have a street legal mini bike. How freaking cool is that? Scotty's Automotive. I wonder if Scotty knows. Sandy's Ton. Sandy's Ton. I don't know how the hell to say that town name. This friggin' engine, man. You roll in any friggin' gear and it wants to go. Big Sheila likes to go. Ain't that right, Sheila? That means yes. 2 throttle twist. Oh, we're only 72 miles from Trenton, and who doesn't want to go to Trenton, huh? Huh. You know, Big Sheila, would you like an outboard motor? That means no. Shaytown. I will get some hay in Shaytown. Shay. Yeah, did gas drop? It's friggin' this. It was $2.99 down the road. It's $2.91 here. Remember that crap was like $4 a gallon? Oh my god. This is 206. This is a nice ride. Oh, poor raccoon didn't make it across the street. But yeah, what are you thinking? What are your thoughts? Are you buying another bike? Are you adding one? Are you replacing one? Leave a comment. So if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. Depends on how fast I can get to the YouTube app at work. But I thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.